we've got our new LED light tunnels, and we're really excited about them. They're going to bring quality control to a whole new level for what you can see fluorescent tubing versus having an actual structure over you that's all LED. You can see we'll go to hood and roof for your different lights here. Be able to cross-check roofs, hoods, that quick. So quality control, we're going to start here at the front of the car. Keep our same pattern that we normally have. Always inspect the top of the panel. Look at everything over. And afterwards, this is where we're looking for anything, any clips that might be missing, any thin connections. And with all this new light, added light that we have, it allows us to see down inside and actually check the frame and everything to make sure that we've got everything back together for factory spec. So really the most exciting game changer that Nationwide has for 2016 is the tunnel vision, high definition LED light tunnels that we've got for quality control now. From hail damage to overspray, you name it, these tunnels show you everything.